Ghost towns in Nevada and California. Searching for the old town site of Queen City by GPS coordinates and map, trying to find any kind of remnants. We drove all the way to Port Wine, town site that we've explored before. This one's a pain in the butt. Sierra County, California. Out in the middle of the Plumas National Forest. But I'm going to walk up this main road. I'll make a split. One road goes to Port Wine. I don't know if that was a woodpecker or what the hell that was. The sun's starting to go down. It's 7:04 p.m. Now we got a lot of backwoods travel to go to get back to pavement. But this Queen City is being elusive. GPS and the map say it's on this side of the road right here, or it was, sorry to say. Because Port Wine is just right down the bottom of that canyon right there. There's a graveyard, old stone store building with iron doors. Like I said, we've already explored that last year. We went all the way up to it, to the marker site where it says Port Wine, just to see where our bearings are, because it's kind of confusing out here. This is a lot more difficult than exploring places out in the desert, high desert. I'm walking down the road from where we parked, where the split was. Beautiful country. Finding old town sites, kind of hard. Found St. Louis in the cemetery, but this was the second one on our list for this trip. And Queen City's being very elusive. Walking down Port Wine Ridge Road. This will take us to little gold rush town of LaPorte in Plumas County. But right now we're in Sierra County. I'm going to go up to this bend. We got a Plumas National Forest map, but it's not very well detailed. The GPS coordinates are from the USGS website. And if you're going to come across the town site, there's going to be broken glass, rusty metal, cans, square nails, things like this. And there hasn't been anything like that And I can't see why they'd have another town site at this next split up here that goes to Port Wine, the old town of Port Wine, that close. But just gonna film this, and how tall these trees are. Don't get too many of these out in Nevada. Gonna go up to this little bend or whatever this is up here, but I'm not seeing anything, any kind of level area where they would have put up a little town. See what we got up here. Weed City might have to go down to the annuals, Nevada ghost towns, Nevada and California ghost towns, mining camps as a fail. Just like China Camp over there in Mineral County in Nevada. This shit's hard to navigate out in these forests. Ah, fuck, it's just a bend in the road. I'm going to take you all on a walk. Hopefully the split to Port Wine isn't that much farther. The sun's going down, I'm getting tired. We got a long ways back to Fernley, Nevada. This is all a big hydraulic mining district. You can see a bunch of that crap. How they destroyed the landscape back in the old days. On the drive in this area. We didn't film any because it's rather disgusting how they've destroyed everything up at this area. But I'm about done with this. If you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe. This is Ghost Towns of Nevada and California, the middle of the Plumas National Forest, signing out.